looking at the agenda for this Connect trip to Warsaw, I think I was kind of overwhelmed, a little bit daunted by the amount that we had to tackle that felt unresolved and potentially sort of unresolvable. I was thinking, we came to Warsaw with an idea of what we thought the twin track programme could look like, which we developed back in London with the audience agency some time ago. But we knew that that was quite a rigid structure that wasn't going to adapt to what we knew was sort of the academic contexts of other countries and other countries who weren't even working with universities such as Denmark and Italy. And I thought that's going to be an incredibly hard task. I don't know how we're going to get through this. I don't know how we're going to build a model that can be that flexible, that adaptable. So day 3 into this whole process, we started to do it. It suddenly came together. And I think we were all amazingly, and as we always do, when we work together, we were in the same place. And we co-created a programme which was quite astonishing, really. So I think the end of day 3 was quite something for me. We had the sketch of a twin track programme that seemed that could work. But then we had another huge daunting problem of how are we going to make this something that actually can be adaptable for each country and cultural context. And again, I thought this isn't something that we're going to be able to resolve here. This is something that we're taking away with us. This is something that we're going to have to come back to. And then come end of Wednesday, we had something that really seemed could work with each country on an individual basis. So a syllabus that can now be flexible and adaptable. What we're doing now, we're adding to the content of that syllabus, which is really exciting. So we've got a structure, we've got a shape, we've got a process. It'll be really exciting to see what happens now when we start looking at the detail of the context and content for each separate session. So that's really something to look forward to as a group of connectors. From our perspective, the UK Goldsmiths and Melting Pro from Rome are specifically looking at developing the mentor and the coaching package for this programme, something that we're really familiar with, something that we're really used to doing. But this is a very specific context, and I think this is a very specific purpose. We're looking very much about focused process of how we're working with practitioners and students to develop their ambition, impact and success specifically within audience development, specifically within their cultural context and specifically within the sector that they're working with. So we had, I think, a really constructive and a really rewarding session with everybody inputting ideas and needs and contextual